Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python and Pandas tutorial series. My name is Raja Ramesh. Congratulations on setting up Python. Now it is time to write your first Python program. In this video, I will show you how to create a project and how to write a simple Python script in your Visual Studio Code. For that, first open your Visual Studio Code and from the welcome screen, either click on Open Folder or click on File menu and click on Open Folder. Choose any folder from your machine or create a new folder for your project. For now, we will create a new folder for our project. So I'll go to my system C drive and I'll create a new folder, Python projects, and in that I will create one more new folder called my first Python project. Select this folder and click on the select folder button. It will open the folder in your Visual Studio Code. Trust this and click on yes, I trust the others. You can see the folder open is my first Python project over here. Now right click in this space and click on create new file. So it will expect a name from you. Write hello world.py. Make sure to provide an extension of .py for your Python scripts. So this is the file which is created just now, hello world.py, and it is open in your editor. And let us write a simple hello world script now. It is as simple as writing just print open parenthesis which is round brackets and in double quotes write something like hello space world. That's all. Print is a built-in function in Python that outputs some text to the console. To run this program, go to the terminal menu item and click on new terminal, which opens a terminal at the bottom. You can see C Python projects and we are in my first Python projects. Just to ensure the Python is installed and configured correctly, you can check the version of Python by giving Python space hyphen version as we did in our previous videos as well. See, we are seeing the Python is installed in our machine so that we got the version of the Python we installed. So now we are good to run our first Python script which we have written in hello world.py. For that, run another command like python space your file name which is hello world.py and hit enter and you will see the output on the console. This is hello world. That's it. You have just written and ran your first Python program. If you face any errors like Python is not recognized kind of errors, that might be because the path is not correctly set. To set the path correctly, you can refer to the previous videos where we have installed Python and set the environment variables on Windows. And if you see something like file is not found means you might be entering your file name wrong or you are not in the right folder. For example, you might be in the C Python projects itself and writing that and trying to execute the file which exists in my first Python project folder. So double check for the typo errors. And if you are using the right name of the file and you are in the right directory and the Python installation and path setting is correct, then you should be seeing an output like this. Great. Now you have successfully written and ran your first Python program. In the further videos, we will explore Python basics like variables and data types. And do not hesitate to comment in the comment section if you are facing any issues while writing your Python script. If you are seeing some option like this, do you want to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft for Python language? You can either show the recommendations or click on install button. First we will see what are the recommended plugins or recommended extensions for Python. So we are seeing the Python language support, right, with extension access points for IntelliSense. So that what it will do is it will enable the IntelliSense feature so that the Python inbuilt functions will be automatically suggested to the user whenever they are coding. So click on the install button. In fact, this will makes our coding easier. and just wait till the installation is completed. Now we are done with installing the Python extension in our Visual Studio Code. You can restart your Visual Studio Code if you are not seeing the features which are supported by the new extensions. We will see that in our next videos. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.